Said it before that issues which we believe that we are unable to resolve at our negotiating table, at our collective bargaining table, we can still resolve those issues by making sure that we exercise our right to vote. Our challenges are no longer at the workplace only. Our challenges are at the political level. So all the Zimbabwean challenges are as a result of poor policy formulation. So we need to deal with our politics. That's the reason why the sitting here said to government, if you wanted to talk about any social contract with labor, you fix the politics of the country. Everything will fall into place. So our view is that for you to fix the politics of the country, people have to be given the right to go to the ballot box and vote. So we urge all Zimbabweans, all the workers, that for you to assist yourself, you have to first express what you want. You can do that by merely going and register to vote and cast your vote. That's the way we can deal with the politics of the country.